Have you ever wondered why you think the way you do, or why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals? The secret to success lies within your subconscious mind. In this video, we're going to dive into what the subconscious mind is and how you can tune it to achieve everything you want in life. Your subconscious mind is the part of your brain that operates below the level of conscious awareness. While the conscious mind is responsible for your everyday decisions and logic, your subconscious controls your habits, emotions, memories, and beliefs. Your subconscious mind influences how you perceive the world. It stores your beliefs, whether positive or negative. If you've been taught to believe that success is hard, your subconscious will work to make that belief true for you. Similarly, if you believe you're destined for greatness, your mind will help guide you in that direction. Now here's the exciting part. You can tune your subconscious mind to help you achieve your dreams. Here's how. First, practice positive affirmations. These are statements like, "I am successful," or "I am worthy of happiness." Repeating these affirmations daily helps rewire your subconscious mind to believe in your potential and shift your mindset to positivity. Next, use visualization. Imagine yourself already achieving your goals. Picture the life you want in vivid detail, whether it's landing your dream job, owning a business, or traveling the world. The more you visualize, the more your subconscious will align your actions with these desires. Another powerful tool is meditation. By practicing mindfulness and quieting the mind, you create space for your subconscious to absorb new, empowering beliefs. Meditation helps you reconnect with your true desires and align your thoughts with your goals. Many of us have negative beliefs that have been ingrained in us over the years. Whether it's "I'm not good enough" or "I can never succeed," these limiting beliefs hold us back. To tune your subconscious mind, start by replacing these beliefs with positive, empowering ones. Acknowledge the negative thought, then choose a more empowering belief to replace it. Lastly, repetition is key. The subconscious mind is influenced by consistency. Write your goals down daily. Repeat your affirmations every morning. With time, the repetition of positive thoughts and actions will help shift your mindset and lead you toward success. Let's look at a real-life example. Imagine you're going for a job interview. If your subconscious mind is filled with doubts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never get the job," it will affect how you perform. But if your subconscious believes, "I am the perfect fit for this role," you'll naturally walk in with confidence and make a great impression. By tuning your subconscious mind, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The key is to feed it with positive thoughts, beliefs, and actions, and the results will follow. So remember, your subconscious mind holds the key to your success. By reprogramming it with positivity, visualization, and consistency, you can unlock your full potential and achieve your wildest dreams. Start today and watch how your life transforms.